Steel Huginn full size, perfect handle. If you need a large knife, this is it. And compact. Is 8 centimeters or 3.15. This is like 93 millimeters. For a pocket, for some difficult task. It feels well, but I think, as you know me, probably I will cut this off to get bigger, more comfortable handle. And maybe I will smoothen this G10 out with the sandpaper. It's quite grippy. Or maybe I will get used to it. I really loved the handle shape on the full-size Huginn. That's why I bought this one. It's quite slimmer, which I like. So far, this could be maybe my most favorite EDC, together with Pyrite. We will see. I think it was around 40 or 50 euros. Looks good, I'm satisfied.